Cool, so my car's started. We'll try and get the shot. It's just above the starter motor. So the start motor there. This is what I think is causing the misfire feeling.